Welcome students, hope you all are good. Open your English notebooks and today we are going to do the question answers of unit 10, lesson 3, the balloon. Write a date and classwork at the top. Answer the question number 1. What did Sana see on the road? Answer is Sana saw shops and stalls. What did Sana see in Islamabad? She saw the Faisal Mosque, the Parliament House and Margla Hills. Question number 3. What did Sana see in Pakistan? उसने पाकिस्तान में क्या देखा? Sana saw the snowy mountains of the Himalayas and the great Indus River snaking down to the sea near Karachi. Question number 4. Did things look smaller or bigger as she went up? जब वो ऊपर जा रही थी, things उसको smaller नजर आई थी या bigger? The things looked smaller as she went up. Question number 5. What was the second balloon? Answer is, she saw another big balloon covered with white clouds. It was quite still and very beautiful. Question number 6. Do you think the first balloon will burst? Yes. Question number 7. Do you think the second balloon will burst? क्या आप सोचते हैं कि second balloon फट जाएगा? No.